It's the best time of the year, okay? It's December 1st. I'm going to give you a few tips to make a lot of money this month because this is the best month of the year on Amazon FBA. Before we actually start, on December 8th, in 1 week, I'm going to change your life. We are going to have a live masterclass, okay? And you can win $100 just by attending. But this is not where the value is. During this live masterclass, I am going to show you my game plan for 2025, or you can actually scale your Amazon business during 2025 because a lot of things are changing. We know with all the bullshit that is happening with the brands, with Nike getting regated. I'm sorry. All the other stuff that is happening. I mean, just join if you want to scale your Amazon FBA business. I'm going to drop a lot of value and you can win $100, all right? You don't have anything to do, you just need to attend, all right? So, Q4, December 1st, what should your game plan be right now if you want to make a lot of money this month, all right? So, first off, stop sending stuff FBA right now, okay? If you are working on something to send FBA, you're doing it wrong, okay? You should be 100% FBM right now because stuff has been starting to slow down at some fulfillment center already from what I've seen personally. Not everybody though, like, so some fulfillment center were still having stuff checking fast, but some of them are getting overwhelmed now. So it's right now that you should actually switch. Like if you haven't switched FBM just yet, like do it now, all right? Don't send any more stuff FBA. It's too late, all right? You're gonna miss the big sales surge, all right? You do not want that. So what you should do is you should be sourcing a lot and do not buy more than 5 days to 1 week of inventory, all right? Get proof of concept by test buying. And if you can do store pickups, do it. Get proof of concept, do same day store pickup, list the stuff. If it's moving, buy more. That's it. That should be your game plan right now. There's a ton of items that you can do this with, all right? Because if you buy stuff and it gets delivered in 3 days, 4 days, you are wasting your time, right? You are wasting your time. Put in the work. Do not think about, but this is not scalable. But no, it's not about that, all right? It's not about shit being scalable, whatever. It's about you being able to make a lot of money this Q4 and being able to flip your money really, really fast. Do store pickup. If you do not have $100,000 to invest per month in inventory, do not talk to me about like scalable bullshit and all that stuff, okay? You're not there yet. It should not be what you're focused on, and stop focusing on scalable stuff because, like, as I said yesterday, you know, there's no such thing as passive income, and I know that if you talk about scaling stuff, like this is what you think about. Stop thinking that way, right? Do store pickups. That's the first thing. Do store pickups, buy a little bit of inventory, store pickup, list it even before actually picking it up at store. That way, if it's moving, you order more immediately. You do not want to waste time. Of course, do it smartly, all right? Do not do it before your stuff is actually ready for pickup. Wait for it to be ready for pickup, list it FBM, see if it moves. If it moves, buy 1 week of inventory. If it's something that you think is going to go out of stock, buy 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but like start to go wide. Right, and stuff is going to move really, really fast. Stuff is going to start to move really, really fast. So go wide, but you're gonna have the ability to go wide and deep at the same time. Kind of deep, all right, because you're going to be able to move a lot of units in 2 weeks. Focus on stuff that is starting to sell fast. Double down on the stuff that is working, but test before, because if you make mistakes right now, you're going to miss on huge opportunities. Except if it's stuff that you expect is going to go out of stock really, really fast. Of course, buy as much stock as you can, but if not, just test a little bit, all right? Test a little bit, do store pickups, and I cannot emphasize this enough. Take advantage of same-day store pickup. This is where your money is going to be. It's all about how fast you can flip that money, right? Flip that money fast so you can get out of Q4 with a lot of capital that you can reinvest into the business. And one more tip that I'm going to give you is you're going to make a lot of money, right? Do not blow that money, reinvest that money into your business so you can start this new year and really scale your business. This is where you're going to be able to scale your business, all right? Do not blow that money in dumb shit. Do not go and buy a car. Do not go and like spend money in like $1,000, like crazy like restaurant bills. Do not do that. Do not do that bullshit. You'll be able to do that soon, all right? But reinvest that money into inventory after Q4, and this is where real growth is going to come, all right? And this is when we can talk about scaling stuff, all right? So hopefully this video was helpful. Go ahead and kill it this Q4, all right? Don't disappoint me. It's time to make a lot of money. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. And I'll see you on December 8th. I'll see you next week for the live masterclass, because if you do this Q4 right, you're gonna have enough money to actually implement what I'm going to teach you during this live masterclass for next year. So be ready, all right? I'll see you tomorrow.